During your slow-moving journey, your time machine will slowly rotate back and may stop momentarily.
This is Spaceship Earth Control. Welcome aboard.
Your time machine is slowly rotating back. Welcome aboard.
Like a grand and miraculous space, our planet is filled to the universe of time, and for a brief moment, we have been amongst fragments of sea. But where are we going? And what kind of beauty will we discover there? Surprisingly, the answers lie in our past. Since the dawn of recorded history, we've been inventing the future one step at a time. So let's travel back in time together. I'll show you how our ancestors created the world we know today. And then it will be your turn to create the world you want to know. Here in this hostile world where our stories live, we are alone, struggling to survive. Until we learn to communicate with one another. Now we can hunt for key and survive together. It takes 15,000 years to come up with the next bright idea, recording our knowledge on cave walls. There was only one small problem. When we moved, the recorded knowledge stayed behind. Now let's move ahead to ancient Egypt, because something is about to happen here that will change the future forever. This unknown Egyptian pounding reed flags is inventing papyrus. The papyrus in turn creates better records, bands, designs, and unfortunately, but also brings with it the dawn of great civilization. At this point, each civilization has its own form of writing, which none of the others can understand. But Phoenician, remember how easy it was to learn your ABCs? That's the Phoenician. The ancient Greeks were brilliant teachers. First, they established public schools, and then began teaching the subject called mathematics. And with math comes mechanical technology and the birth of the high-tech life we enjoy today. With lessons learned from the Greeks, the Romans created a powerful empire. To move their armies around, they built a system of roads all over the known world. Rome built the first worldwide web, and it's leading us into the future.
One books.
Mandat majeski Rusi in tribus regiones del siglo XIX. Ya Aurelia Aquino,
It turns out there are copies of some of these books in the libraries of the Middle East, being watched over by Arab and Jewish scholars. Call it the first backup system. The books are saved, and with them our dreams of the future. In the meantime, here in Europe, monks toil endlessly recording books by hand. But that is about to change. In the 1450s, Gutenberg invents the movable type printing press. Now knowledge can travel as fast as these new books, and travel they do. Books make it easier to invent the future in any way you want, and the result is an incredible explosion of innovation we call the Renaissance. Now, communication technology races headlong into the future, and soon people all over the world are sharing life's most important moments faster than ever before.
Civil War's over! Extra, extra!
Please. I'm sorry, I'm busy. Number please. One more.
Young man, became the first woman to fly across the Atlantic. We saw the figure of the British. The spot in aviation's firmament of stars.
And he's off on another gold medal run. Jesse Owens in Berlin.
In perhaps the biggest news story of 1928, a newly able young man became the first woman to fly across the Atlantic. Wasted a nuclear air hunt and their flight mates have landed safe and sound in Wales. Today, June 19, 1928, will forever be known as the day that she flew across the Atlantic and into the hearts of people around the world.
Communicating from anywhere on Earth, and in 1969, from somewhere else. To send a man to the moon, we had to invent a new language. Simply not like that, but like a computer. At first very large, very expensive computers, but you see the potential. What if everyone could have one of these amazing machines in their own house? There's just one problem. They're as big as a house. The solution comes in, of all places, a garage in California. Young people with a passion for shaping the future put the power of the computer in everything. After 30,000 years of time, here we are, a truly global community, poised to shape the future of this, our spaceship Earth.
Your time machine is now rotating backward. Please remain seated. Attention, you are now rotating backward for your return to Earth. Please remain seated, time travelers. Attention, travelers, please remain seated. Your time machine is rotating backward for your return to Earth. In preparation for your return to Earth, your time machine is now rotating backward. Please remain seated. Attention, you are now rotating backward for your return to Earth. Please remain seated, time travelers. Attention, travelers, please remain seated. Your time machine is rotating backward for your return to Earth. In preparation for your return to Earth, your time machine is now rotating backward. You are now rotating backward. Please remain seated.
For the first time in history, all of us can have a say about the kind of world we want to live in. The choices we have made for the past 30,000 years have been inventing the future one day at a time. And now is your turn. Let's have some fun creating the future, shall we? On your computer screen, answer a few questions. Then we'll show you a new world, custom made just for you. Ready? Well done. Now, along with your answers, let's add in some amazing new technology that we happen to know about.
Puppy. Hi.
And now I believe your future is just about ready. Let's take a look, shall we?
Welcome to the future. Or should I say, your future.
Oh, well.
Here in your future, getting away on vacation is a breeze. Your smart suitcase knows where you're going and what you'll need. And with wind power from your home fueling station, you're off. Don't worry about the house. A PDA with remote control can take care of anything you've forgotten. You leave your country home in an ultra-light, ultra-powerful, totally networked family car that can take you anywhere. Since you like to wing it, your virtual travel agent gives you options for hotels and restaurants along the way. You can just relax and take things as they come. Getting there is half the fun, so your family car will be equipped with virtual tools to teach you about the world outside your window. You'll travel quickly and safely to places you can't imagine visiting today. And the moment you arrive at your ultimate vacation destination, you're out of this world and into the future. The end. Or should I say the beginning of your future.
So here's to the next 30,000 years on Spaceship Earth. While no one knows for sure what we'll see or do, I do know it will be quite an adventure. An adventure that we'll take and break together. See you in the future.
Bye-bye. Thanks for watching.
YouTube thinks you will like this video right here. So do what it says. Click here for more.